Would you like to introduce yourself to our audience, right,
Yeah,
as to what your
definitely.
role is?
Hi, everyone. My name is Ram Trachur. I head the global semiconductor market strategy for Henkel Corporation.
So, how's AI affecting as a resource the semiconductor packaging?
AI has indeed transformed semiconductor packaging, not just in terms of the architectures that are needed to support AI, but also the value semiconductor packaging has created to support AI systems that are deployed in the market. So I want to explain this as what was semiconductor packaging pre-AI era and what is semiconductor packaging in the AI era. So in the pre-AI era versus in the AI era, we can compare that along the lines of the power demanded by the semiconductor chips in terms of the logic or silicon area that is involved in the compute processes, and also in terms of the thermal dissipation that is needed or challenges that is present in the AI chips. And in the AI era, our customers also are innovating at a much faster rate, releasing products for supporting AI at a much faster rate. So we see a need for accelerated material development to support AI-based chip architectures on top of all this.
So, how's AI affecting as a resource the semiconductor packaging?
So AI as a resource, probably I'll answer this from my customer's perspective. I believe AI as a resource will impact chip design. It will impact any repetitive process flows that are used in manufacturing. It will impact logistics operation, probably any predictive maintenance that needs to be done. And also, it catalyzes innovation in general across all processes. So that's where we see the biggest impact of AI.
Okay, and how is it affecting as a market with all the new chips coming in?
I think I may need another hour to kind of cover this. But to give you a gist, Henkel is focused on providing wire bond packaging solutions and advanced packaging solutions. And both of these areas are very innovation heavy, meaning we have to have a very strong roadmap to support our customers. So as an example, in wire bond packaging, the biggest trend that we see now is electrification and the emergence of power electronics that use wide bandgap semiconductors. So we have innovation programs to support our high thermal die attach materials with both sintering or pressureless sintering and pressure assisted sintering to enable discrete power electronics devices and also power modules, which we believe will be very important in industrial automation, in traction, and also in general electrification. And then in advanced packaging, most of the innovation is driven by the need for supporting AI-based semiconductor architectures. Here, we are investing in our adhesive portfolio, our underfill portfolio, and also our encapsulation portfolio. In all of this, we're adding a thermal element because of the increase in power consumption in all these devices and the need for reducing extracting the heat, there's all these materials need to contribute towards spreading the heat and extracting the heat. So we have a lot of innovation within this core, and we're also exploring co-packaged optics, where we are developing light path adhesives with semiconductor grade reliability functions. And then we are also investing in liquid compression molding materials to enable panel level interposer fabrication. As the interposer moves from current wafer level format to a panel format, there are new needs for materials, and we're innovating in those areas.
Wow, that's a pretty long list.
That is, yeah.
Ram, thank you very much for taking your time. Thank you for sharing all your knowledge and expertise with us and our audience. I hope they have been updated well with respect to what's new in the semicon packaging ecosystem and the various innovations they can expect from Henkel, right? And if they have any doubts, queries, or feedback, I invite them to post them uh, on our channel, and we'll share them with the Henkel team and get them replied to as soon as possible.
Yeah, again, thank you, Rahul, for having me today. I really appreciate the opportunity to engage with you here and look forward to participating in the semiconductor ecosystem in India. Thank you, everyone.